Some people push and some people pull. Some people miserable wherever they go.
Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Carey, Hart, back here for episode 2 of Road Trippin. So I'm in crazy Daytona Beach, Florida for Bike Week. So I'm about to jump on my bike and go see what I can get into.
Some people push and some people pull. Some people miserable wherever they go.
All right, so just pulled up to the Iron Horse Saloon. Never been here. I heard stories about this joint, so a little parched. Iron Horse in Daytona Beach, Florida. I'm up in the treehouse area. It's definitely the calm before the storm, but it's a cool spot. Music's blaring. People are getting ready to tie it on. All right, let's see what the next stop is. Look who I just caught up with. Just ran into this big old turd at the gas station. So he's been out.
Funny. I'm going to take a big old turd at the gas station.
So quick gas stop and bumped into Big B and a bunch of guys. Got a whole crew to hook up with now. So yeah, gonna hook up with these guys for a while and see where we end up at. Alright, so here's my stop. I'm here at the Funky Pelican. It looks like a pretty cool spot. It's right here on the water. I heard it's got some good food. I guess it's got a bar, restaurant area that's like right on the water. So I'm gonna roll in and grab some lunch and see what this place is all about.
Some take it fast and some take it slow. And some just sit back and enjoy the show.
Well, my last stop on my way back to Daytona is here at High Tide Snack Shack. It's a pretty cool little spot right here on the beach. Literally sitting at picnic tables right on the water. Gonna grab some food with my buddies and start working our way back to Daytona. Cool spot, great ride today. All the rain kind of pushed out and it's nice and sunny. Good one.
Some people push and some people pull. Some people miserable wherever they go. Some take it fast and some take it slow. And some just sit back and enjoy the show. Some people push and some people pull. Some people miserable wherever they go. Some take it fast and some take it slow.
Well, that's it. That's my ride around Daytona. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. I read the comments you guys post on here, so I'm kind of doing this for you guys as long as having a little fun myself. If you want to see any of the rides that I did while I was out here in Daytona, you can go on the Rever app and just pull up Carey Hart, and I have all my rides I did public. So check it out. Let me know what you think. Thanks for checking in, and I'll see you on the next one.